Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video on how you can create an email signature in Canva and add it as a signature in your emails sent from your Gmail account. It's pretty simple to do, so I'll walk you through how to do it right now. First, you want to open up the Canva website, and you are going to need a Canva account to do this. Go to the top where the search bar is, then search for email signature, like so. Once you're here, you can either choose to create a blank email signature or you can choose one of the pre-made templates. I'm going to choose this one for example, and then I'm going to click on where it says customize this template. Now from here, I'm going to make some changes because we obviously want this to be customized to what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and change this top heading to Evan Does Tech. Then I'll change this to tutorial channel, like so. And let's say we don't want to have our address or our website onto this signature. So what I'll do is remove the address by clicking on it and clicking on the delete button right here, or you can just click on it and press the delete key on your keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for both of these as well. And let's go ahead and actually change this image out. So I'm going to click on the image, come over to the upload tab, and then we're going to actually upload our own image by clicking on upload files. Now I'm just going to select my profile picture here. Then we can go ahead and click on it in this sidebar here. And I'm actually going to remove the original image, drag this image onto the frame, like so. And then we're going to go ahead and remove this signature as well. So now that we have our signature the way we want it to look, what we can do is go to the top right where it says share. Then we want to click on where it says download. We're going to select PNG for the file type and then click on where it says download. Next, we're going to open up our Gmail account and then go to the settings at the top right by clicking on the settings button. Next, we're going to click on where it says see all settings. From here, we're going to scroll down until we see the signature section right here and click on where it says create new. I'm just going to enter in default for the signature name. You can name it whatever you want. And then inside the signature box, what we're going to do is click on the image button right here. We're going to click on where it says Google Drive and then click on where it says upload. From here, we're going to click on browse. We're going to find that signature that we just created and click on open. It's going to upload that signature to our signature on our Gmail account. That looks good. Now we can go ahead and click on where it says save changes at the bottom of the settings page. And now whenever we send an email through our Gmail account, that signature should be attached at the end of the email when we send it. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.